हेलो एवरीबॉडी। इस चैनल में आप सभी को हार्दिक स्वागत है एक नए प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू के साथ। मैचिंग चांग नमस्ते। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज के प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू। तो प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू का मतलब होता है व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू। एट फर्स्ट this is not actually product review. This is introduction of the Lexar memory brand, memory manufacturer brand. So everybody, so I'm speaking in English because Lexar from worldwide. So if I use the Indian language, so very few people are in my channel in from India. So that is why I'm speaking English. So this is a Lexar. This is a flash drive and 32 gig. So this is not actual review, but you can say this is the review. This is not an unboxing. This is not a review. So this is review for this is a cheap price, and I have bought it. So why? What is the reason that I buy the Lexar? So what purpose you should buy the Lexar instead of SanDisk? This is the SanDisk, and this camera has a memory brand name SanDisk Extreme Pro for video recording, professional video recording. I like to use the SanDisk. No doubt, SanDisk product is very good for, and it is available in the worldwide, especially in the European country, American country, Asian country, India, and East world country, Asia country. So this is Lexar. You can see the head. This is a Lexar Platinum, and this is Lexar. So I will show you what is the price this one in Indian currency. So I have a bill. This one I will show you in the middle of this video. So why I purchase this one. So this is 32 gig. You can see here. So if I buy the SanDisk brand in the same specification, you can see here the specification data speed rate 130 MB per second. So but in the market it available SanDisk brand, it was 150 MB per second and 32 quick memory and USB 3.0 generation. It price was 450 rupees INR, Indian currency 450. So I have already used Lexar 10 years ago. 10 years ago I have purchased it from the DSLR camera, Lexar Platinum. So Lexar, this is a American company, but the SanDisk is not an American company. So SanDisk is very good quality. So this is a SanDisk. You can see here. This is very. You can see here. This is a SanDisk facet. This is good quality, but don't buy the HP. Don't buy HP. So come back to my point. The Lexar. You can see here. The Lexar, this is a plastic body, and this is also plastic body. 32 gig available, but I want 16 gig, but 16 gig not available in the open market. So it is made in China, made in Hong Kong, China. So you can see here, this is the plastic body, but good quality plastic. And the back side, you can see here that this back side jumbo pendrive. You also visit this Lexar website from worldwide, s80. So it is 3-year warranty. So you can see here the Indian price rupees, printed price rupees 600. So you can see here. Pause the video and you see carefully. So this is good quality for if you are transferring this file or carry this file but not very important file, so you can purchase this Lexar brand only for manufacturing. This brand popular for manufacturing memory device. You can buy just like a Seagate, just like or Western Digital. All company are popular for manufacturing of this memory device. So you can purchase SSD, NVE memory for laptop, for desktop, or portable external memory, SSD, internal SSD. If I want to show you what metal made from inside the 4 pin, there are 4 pin inside here to connect the USB. So you can see I am not able to show you this inside this 3 pin. So you can see here, no, sorry, I'm very sorry not to unable to show you through this very tiny lens. So this 3 pin made from copper instead of white metal. This is not a white metal. Inside this 3 pin, these 3 pin are copper, just like a gold. So this is the Lexar is very good quality. So I am using this drive for bootable because I have already changed my operating system from Linux Mint to Manjaro Arch Linux. So that is why. So for booting Manjaro, it needs 8 gig, minimum 8 gig or 4 gig, not 4 gig, 8 gig, because ISO file was 3.8 gigabytes. So I don't need 8 gig minimum flash drive memory, but 16 gig is not available in open market. So don't buy the Lexar pendrive from Amazon or Flipkart or just like online shopping center. So if you buy from online shopping site, so you have to spend more wallet, because now I want to show you what is the price of this drive. So I have also so for check the amazon.com or amazon.in. So in the same specification, 32 gig 150 MB per second SanDisk, around 500 rupees in Amazon, but or this Lexar 450 rupees, but in the open market from offline market or offline store, I have purchased only 350 rupees. I have a proof. So this is my proof. So you can see here, this is rupees 50, number 1. You can see here, this is 50. Obviously you can see here Lexar Jumbo pendrive s80. You can see here the total price 296. Okay, total one number. What is the percentage rate of GST? 18%. This is a total 350 rupees. The same price I have already by the same model number. So this is, so you can see here Indian rupees 53 and 3 paisa only. Indian rupees 53. It is amount. It is a taxable amount. It is only taxable amount. So it is a Indian rupees. So This is why I'm making this video to show you don't buy any product from Amazon or online shopping center. So if you buy, so you should pay more money. So Lexar is very good quality, but I recommended you always, if you are a creative person, if you are a creative person, or if you are recording a very important video, don't use Lexar, because Lexar is I don't recommend it. I always recommended you use the SanDisk portable external hard disk or portable hard disk for recording from your full frame cinema camera. Always Lex SanDisk is very good quality. It is not for good quality, it is very popular worldwide, but I don't trust the Lexar. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new product review. Bye bye.